Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about singleton design pattern. What is it? Singleton pattern is a creational design pattern that ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to that instance so that every class or every component can use it. It's useful when exactly one object is needed to coordinate actions across a system. Example, think of a president of a country. There is only one president at any given time. Everyone refers to the same person when talking about the president. You can't just create another president. The system restricts that. This is analogy for the singleton. What is the benefits of this pattern? Control access to the sole instance, reduce memory footprint, especially for heavy shared objects, and good for managing shared resources like database connection or settings. The drawbacks of this pattern can hide dependencies which make testing harder, not suitable for classes that need to be subclassed. Let's deep dive into coding. Here is a class, its name player singleton. This class contains a static reference to the class, its name instance, and string player name and count with 0. And this is a empty constructor, and this is a parameterized constructor that take the player name string as an argument for the constructor. I will pass this parameter to this constructor if I need to pass the player name. Here is the method that I will use to get the instance from this class. I want to restrict this class to just take only one instance to it. That's why I make count to see how many instances come from this class. First, I will check if instance equal null. I increase counter plus plus and print the count and take new instance equal new player singleton. Else, if instance not equal null, which means it already take an instance, so in this case return the instance that already exists. If I need to run this code, okay, I have two threads. We will talk about threads after run this. Let's run and see. Here is the output. Count player singleton, just one instance only. Okay. So we can use this inside when we want to make a database connection or call a retrofit to hit network calls. So in all this scenario, we just need one instance from our classes. So in these scenarios, we will use the singleton design pattern. Okay, right now what is about the thread? What I made here, I made a runnable task, okay, to print how many instances already taken from the class. I made two threads, thread 1 and thread 2, and pass to the threads the same task. What is the task? The task is already get the instance of this class. I need to know how many instances taken from the player singleton class and start the two threads. Right now when I run, it takes only one instance. Why this happened? This happened because I put the function inside a synchronized block. Let's remove this synchronized block and see what will happen. Let's run again and see what will happen. Here, it don't print 1 like before. It print 2. It comes to this method 2 times. Why? Why this happen? Because the 2 threads comes to the same method at the same time. So it not prevent this thread don't prevent other task at the same time. That's why it take 2 instances. And this don't make what I need. I need only take 1 instance. But this problem comes when you are in a multi-thread environment. If you have many threads, okay, which do something, hit network call or hit database or whatever you make, okay, multiple thread can comes to the same method at the same time and they take many instances. Okay, so how to prevent that? Exactly like what we made before. Synchronize the block. Put our function that check if instance equal null inside a synchronized block. So synchronize the block any thread to come to this function until the previous thread finish his work. So no multiple threads will come to the same method at the same time. If this method thread come to it, okay, it will finish its work and then the next thread comes. So when I run again right now, it will only print to me 1 instance. Why? Because synchronized block multiple threads to come to the function at the same time. Thanks for watching and see you next video.